I warmly welcome you on behalf of the entire Hexagon team. As you can see, my team is here preparing to showcase our Hexagon solution. We hope to help you adapt your business fast, especially in this COVID-19 situation. Things are very challenging for all of us. And we'll be giving a demonstration of the connected workflow, particularly about how you design it, how you make it, and how you test a mask. And then finally, there's also a panelist here to share with you our various technical solutions.
We will present our solutions that will enable customers to ensure quality at all the key stages of the product life cycle. Hexagon portfolio of digital manufacturing technologies spanning from CAE solutions for design and engineering, TechCam, metrology hardware and software solutions, as well as data management and analytics tools, aligning with Hexagon vision of quality drive productivity. Smart engineering allows you to conduct virtual simulation to improve design before final production. Smart concept to reality allows you to convert best design concept to reality through world-class CAM strategies, validated, optimized, and simulated with digital twin. Smart production with closed loop allows you to conduct in-process real-time quality data for measurement, positioning, and inspection, thereby providing feedback to machines. Smart metrology allows you to conduct full quality inspection, machine monitoring, statistical analysis under one integrated system. By placing quality at the heart of the process, we are developing autonomous connected ecosystems for manufacturing, more typically referred to as smart factories.
Hexagon MSC software has got wide range of multi-physics co-simulation software that includes linear, non-linear, manufacturing simulation solution, acoustics management solutions, CFD simulation solution, multi-body dynamic solutions, and many other solutions, and all of them work together to solve a single engineering simulation problem. I'm going to explain how the Hexagon MSC software is going to help in simulating the mask holder. We are going to do three different simulation applications for the mask holder. The first one is a non-linear analysis to study the pressure exerted by the mask holder onto the human face. Mask software has got many non-linear applications. Software is called discrete element method, and the mask is modeled as a fabric structure. We bring in the CAD model, we bring in a dummy, and we put this mask holder onto the human face, and then we define the material, and we create the finite element mesh for this model, and we decide on the type of forces that goes into the mask holder, and we provide the supporting conditions, and then we will solve this model for various types of output conditions. Then we submit this job for a solution. These are all the different output requirements we select, and then we see the results. You can see that the way the mask holder moves up, okay, when somebody is using it, and also the pressure distribution on the human face. The second one is the mask holder is also going to change the characteristics of the way you breathe and also the way you sneeze along with the mask. Hexagon MSC software has got MSC Cradle, which has got so many advanced capabilities. This is a model using in CFD software. In this situation, when somebody is sneezing, what kind of particles are being held within the mask and how much is actually going out. One is simulating with a mask, but now what we are going to do is putting the mask holder onto the mask, and somebody is going to sneeze, okay, and what really is going to cause. There are multiple things this CFD solution can do. Now you see that in this one result there are two conditions now. The left one shows without a mask holder and the right one shows with the mask holder, and also how the airflow pattern also changes, okay, whether this will also create any issue for those people who hold the mask and also able to breathe. Hexagon MSC Software has got a solution called Digimat AM. So this has got a comprehensive library of all the 3D printers in the market today. You select the 3D printer, you define the material which is coming as a library of materials. So in this case, we define as a nylon material. Then we simulate, okay, how this is going to be building on to while the 3D printing happens. And after that, we are going to study, okay, this is the mesh, okay, which is the red color one was the support and the gray one is the actual mesh. And then we see the results as the 3D printing, the print happens, how much is the distortion and deformation happens. So far, I talked with an assumption that we have a CAD model for this mask holder. But in case if there is no CAD model available, this can be reverse engineered.
Now we will go through the details related to the smart concept to reality functionality with Hexagon Solutions. As we can see, Hexagon Solutions cover entire product life cycle by converting data in digital world into an actionable, meaningful output to be implemented in the real world. I will take you through the next stage in this connected workflow, which is known as smart concept to reality. This is achieved by converting sketch into CAD model to the CAM programming to CNC G code validation and simulation, and from machine to the production tooling. Let's look at the first step, which is reverse engineering. This is how VisiReverse along with Hexagon Absolute Arm is helpful in generating point cloud data by scanning the physical part and converting it into mesh model from which the surface is extracted using various methods and finally creating a 3D solid CAD geometry. VisiReverse application works with these devices from Hexagon, namely Portable Absolute Arm, Leica Absolute Scanner, as well as Icon Scanner. The next step is to generate the mold design and simulate the plastic flow. This is achieved very quickly and easily in Visi. The process involves draft angle visualization, phase drafting, assigning specific material and shrinkage properties, creating the split line for complex geometries, adding slide cores, lifters and other elements from standard catalog, define the runner gates and cooling channels, and also finally check for manufacturing defects like weld line, warpage, air traps before injection molding process with help of VisiFlow. Once the mold design is ready and validated, it is converted into most productive and efficient CAM program with our flagship solutions VisiCAM. VisiCAM is extremely popular CAM solution in plastic mold manufacturing companies with its latest features, ensuring hassle-free programming and productivity through unparalleled machining strategies for various industry segments. A stitch in time saves 9. That's exactly what NC Simul provides to the manufacturing companies. NC Simul helps validate, simulate, and optimize the NC code program through digital twin. It helps manufacturing companies to remain extremely relevant in true digitalization of manufacturing setup aligned with Industry 4.0. NC Simul provides these fantastic functionalities in digital form to all the manufacturing companies, thereby avoiding every possible risk in the real world of machining. In order to ensure collaboration amongst various functions in the manufacturing company, our solution WorkXplore provides wide range of CAD collaborative functionalities as can be seen in this slide.
I would like to introduce to you Hexagon's QDAS software and Smart Factory software. The QDAS software is intended to provide the factory digitalization solutions, and with QDAS software, we can help our customers to achieve the Industry 4.0. So Industry 4.0, we have 3 basic requirements: machine connectivity, data collection and data analysis, and then we provide the closed loop feedback. And with QDAS software, we have 8,000 customers worldwide. So this is a very quick system overview of how the QDAS system works. So we have different equipments like CMM, even like the CNC machine tool, and we may have the manual gauge or the hand tools. From all those equipments, we are collecting data, and the QDAS software will be able to collect data from all brands of the equipment and send the data to the central database. And we can provide the solutions to do data analysis, reporting, and then we will do the closed loop feedback. Closed loop basically means we will show the dashboard to the production, all the quality results real time. So in the screen you can see this customer has 4 CNC machines. The machine A1 with the red color indication, it means some serious problem happened real time. So the shop floor guy can just double click the dashboard, then he can see which part and which characteristic is having problem. Okay? And do a double click again, he will be able to see the real data. So he can understand. So this data, the last data is below the control limit. So that's why this machine A1 is receiving an alarm. So this is a very quick and real-time dashboard to be able to set up the communication channel between QA and production. I'm going to show you another software which is called Smart Factory Asset Management. This is a cloud-based software. You can find all your machines in your factory. You may have multiple factories in different locations. So this one, this is a factory in Spain. This is in Detroit. Okay. So if I double click this particular machine, you can see the machine status real time. Okay. For example, this one is I can monitor like the sensors. I can monitor the environmental parameters like temperature real time. Okay. And also I can monitor the utilization of this particular machine in my Detroit factory. And also provide all the events, meaning you can see all your programs, which is running, which is canceled, which is stopped, and also we provide the OEE calculations. So this is an entire solution for you to monitor real-time all your machines.
On this station, we will showcase to you on the AI solution that we have for defects. So right now, we will just go ahead with the capturing of the data with our system. So besides capturing the data itself, as you can see right now with the capturing, we are able to capture some defects, but we are not able to detect it. So once this is fully done, this software will be passed to the next software, which is the AI solution, and the defect will be ultimately picked up by the AI solution that's being provided. So in that context, customer will have the mindset that it will ease off on the detection side. So we are not talking about defects that's only 1 or 2. We are talking about multiple defects, probably a few hundred defects in one part itself. That is actually a real productive gain on customer sides.
What we bring to the table is the insights to the product from the inside. The inside data of the product is provided by a CT scanner, and we take the data to give you more insights of the product.
Volume Graphics is the market-leading software for the analysis and visualization of industrial CT data. Let's take a look at what is a CT scan. Very similar to what happens in a medical CT scan, the object is placed between an X-ray source and a detector. The only difference here is that the part is rotated 360 degrees, and at defined intervals, depending on the required detail, X-ray images are captured. From thousands of these images with known parameters, we create a 3D volume of the part using a process called reconstruction. Coming to the face mask holder, let's take a look at some typical results. The part looks good from the outside, but let's see what the CT data shows us. The first analysis that we are going to perform is a dimension measurement of the notch. Here we can see that one of the dimension is within tolerance, indicated in the green color, and the other dimension in red is outside of tolerance. In addition to performing GD&T analysis, we can also perform what is called as a wall thickness analysis. Wall thickness analysis is performed to see if the part has maintained the desired wall thickness after manufacturing. Most of the part is green, indicating tolerance. The area near the notch is thick, but this is a desired effect. We can also clearly see other areas where the wall thickness is not as intended. In real world, this type of analysis is critical to producing watertight, leak-proof parts. Next up, let's take a look at the internal defects of this part. This analysis looks at the X-ray images and builds continuous volume representation of internal pores, cracks, etc. The analysis then quantifies these defects, and these can be communicated to the colleagues in manufacturing so that they can adjust the flow pressure, injection location, etc. and produce reliable products. Another application for the CT data is providing a tetrahedral mesh for the simulation team members to perform simulations on as-manufactured parts. We can create this model with the internal defects represented as such or as a porosity percentage. CT data provides valuable information about your product, and VG Studio Max, the software for volume graphics, has a wide range of applications to help you understand those information.